Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you something, a little trick which I call Sasha's facial. It's a wonderful way to increase energy. I had been sitting in front of my computer the whole morning working, and now I feel that my energy level is going down and my energy is becoming somewhat stagnant. So I want to increase my energy, and here's how I'm going to do it: by practicing Russian tempering. You pick up snow like this, and then you do this wonderful thing. Oh, I love it. Oh, it feels so good. Hope you enjoy it, and make sure that it's not too much for you, that you do it safely. Bye now.